The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is facing an unprecedented threat. Today, we delve into the devastating impact of deforestation in Brazil's Amazon, exploring the environmental, political, and economic facets of this critical issue. Deforestation in the Amazon is not just about losing trees. It's about losing biodiversity, altering climates, and degrading soils. With every minute that passes, we lose 56 acres of rainforest, along with 137 species of plants, animals, and insects. The destruction transforms vibrant ecosystems into barren landscapes, making the Amazon increasingly fragile and prone to climate change. The loss of biodiversity is profound. Many species are pushed to the brink of extinction, their habitats destroyed. This isn't just about the species we know, it's about the thousands we have yet to discover, potentially losing invaluable biological treasures forever. Deforestation contributes to climate change, making the Amazon more susceptible to fires and droughts. These changes not only threaten the forest biodiversity, but also its capacity to store carbon, exacerbating global warming. The Amazon's soil, once fertile under the canopy, faces severe degradation once the trees are gone. The cycle of deforestation for agriculture, followed by abandonment due to soil depletion, repeats endlessly, leaving behind a scarred landscape. The battle against deforestation is also fought in the political arena. Despite regulations, illegal deforestation thrives, largely due to lax enforcement and the influence of agribusiness. International cooperation and environmental NGOs play crucial roles, yet political challenges persist. Economically, the Amazon's deforestation is driven by immediate gains from cattle ranching and soy production, overlooking the long-term environmental costs. However, sustainable development presents a viable alternative, promising economic growth without sacrificing the rainforest's future. Efforts to conserve the Amazon through policy have seen varying degrees of success. From creating national parks to promoting sustainable logging, the path to preservation is fraught with challenges. Yet the hope remains that with concerted effort, policy can lead to meaningful change. The fate of the Amazon is not sealed. Through understanding, action, and cooperation, we can protect this invaluable treasure for future generations. It's a responsibility we all share for the health of our planet and the survival of countless species, including our own. While the challenges are immense, the spirit of resilience and innovation offers a beacon of hope. Around the globe, people are coming together to reverse the tide of deforestation. By supporting sustainable agriculture, protecting wildlife habitats, and advocating for responsible policies, we are beginning to see the dawn of a new era for the Amazon. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.